All I care about is money in the city I'm from. I'm sipping till I don't really give a fuck and my excuses that I'm wrong. And I'm
Are you okay?
but somebody should have told you I'm over. Yeah, fuck it, I'm over. Yeah, I said I'm over. Fuck it, I'm over. Two white cups and I got this drink. Could be purple, could be pink. Depending on how you mix that shit. But if you got to get that shit, cause I'm over. I said fuck it, I'm over.
Cậu đã về mà ô kể chuyện đấy. Anh kể tên là về mà yo. Em sẽ giúp kể tên.
Something. You niggas on the bench, like the bus coming. Ain't nothing sweet but the switch. Some folks might as well say cheese for the kicks. Oh, I'm about to go Andre the Giant.
Sorry.
Sell out, I ain't buying. Chop it down, second nigga.
My son does that,
Put it into the world like the Mayans. It's a celebration, bitches. Mazel tov. It's a slim chance I fall. I will fall. Don't you be the name. Don't ask me how I got it. I'm killing these hoes. Trying to stop the violence. All I care about is money. Yeah, the city that I'm from. I'm sipping till I feel it. I'm smoking till I got mad.
Với cả trên please get me please get me never mind actually. Tôi có cái mặt gì never mind.
Why do you want?
Stop me.
To the moon.
Actually, no new friends.
No new friend.
Okay, no new friends.
No new friends, no new friends. I have. I got to give you this man.
Rising on my phone. Ain't even late, I'm grown. I'm fixing with broke girls. Instead, I'm even trying, I'm already know. But she already knows. I'm not looking for the one. Better person that I'm having fun. I'm done cause I always get hurt. Want me alone. Maybe you can hit me if you want. But now I gotta put myself first. You can kiss and you touch and you're on the hand. But if you're looking for others, then I'll swing. Yeah, we can kiss, we can touch and you're on the hand. But if you're looking for others, then I'll swing. Yeah.
So because
I spent all alone.
Wait.
Won't be here for long.
Yeah, I did.
does it lost?
Yeah, like how did it like do that? I don't know.
Bueno, nada ni nada.
Bueno, su vez aquí es
Nada ni nada.
Go five. Saya bukan tahu. Ini sebenarnya apa?
Just thought I'd let
Kata
you know. Something's gotten in me ever since you let me go.
Hawu isoikula lagi donde.
Oba okhulele lapho ngiyafa buthongo. Are you okay?
Wewe ndio shoma. When
Oh, Bandera. Yeah, Bandera.
And I was
Yeah, Bandera. I'm done for Christmas.
Bana. Kati. When ukulele and I must bavenga.
He's so tandweni. He's so tandweni.
Oh, Bandera. I'm
He's so
done.
tandweni. You know my
Look, Lauren. You look like a glass of
Oh, Bandera. Tata. Tata.
Tata, no.
I was sitting away asleep.
Oh, now it's
I do the damn look, hello. Yeah, why are you fish? Come on, get the salama.
I don't do it. Just like the day that I met you. Together forever.
Yo, aces in my gang, I said, what's her name? Ubabeba. Ay, what's his name? This is my gang. Get what's that doing? Say, I guess square and then what?
Oh, manje.
Angiyosalungiseka shem eyakho hayi hayi umoshakele shem angeke nje into engayisalungiseki ngesisayenza lutho indaba yakho uhambe kahle drive safe sokhuluma uyaphi uphumaphi usophuma komunye ubheki wakho la siziba ngiyakima amalona athathwa nini ama-top ama-awadi ngiyakithize kwani ngesiziba ngeke kodwa into engiyithanda ngawo ungikhohlwa ne
engazi ngimuntu endaweni awu
yes sokhuluza zonke lezi zinto ey'khona Llega, ahora el sapo, vocês é muito cool, né?
Malos.
Ainda viu, mano?
Hey, this man. Guys.
Babuk Jesu nakalele usibhekile nathi somkhaya. Hayi, Yisogeso ngoba nakalele yakozedi nathi asilala sozedi. Sibhekene naye Yisogeso. Yisogeso guys.
Sana 120 what? 116
Yisogeso guys.
in viewers.
What time is it?
Are they called viewers or what? Yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't been
Guys, in calling an errors, I feel like playing on it. One day, content is again. I like my mother's got to buy my Uzohamba ebandla yedwa. Intombazane. Ahambe yedwa. Abamanje hlele. Uzokuba masikhathini, postela sikhathini.
Okay, let's try
Wena
it.
uzoposta ngo-12.
Where's the first?
Uhleli nje la.
Okay. You guys request songs as live.
Ayona lena yazi. Nayitho.
No, this is mine.
Funeka.
Let's tell her good. Request songs and then you play them. Manje nechaza manithatha konke okuhle ezingengane esenzenjani asazi baba
Okay, asingesikhulume la kodwa ke. Ipendrod guys. Yo, chapa bafana naye bani. Ayona leyo amali. Ayona. Iphi kanti vele le phone?
na iphi phone guys
Khululeka. Alahlekile ke phone engayisekho.
ifoneleni ke
Android.
how ngiyisile What's your country before? Oh my god. Don't worry, got it. Hey girls.
Hey, what's in your shit?
Hi.
Let me love it.
We are You guys request songs and then request ingoma magazine and then we'll play them for you guys.
You guys think I'm a bit person. Especially girls. Hey, ngiyabona wena uthanda
Someone requested a song, I don't know who, but like, requesting ingoma, I don't know what requested was. R. Kelly, Bump and Grind. Got it.
Pasti clothes. So, i-clothes.
Chomi. Utshala benzeni. Manje basithile. Masenthandela ngizangana.
Asal bawa mana ni kat sini? Semua lah. Semua ya, tak bawa mana ni kat sini.
Okay guys, I'm coming. Guys, nilale masifuna ukulala kwasami. Amahleme othi nekene imfonela.
Anenkinga nimfonela.
Call me. Actually, don't call me, I'll call you. Amahleze lamadisambensane. Yazini guys, hambani yale nonze live ngale at least nisekamereni. Yabo? Asambeni. Hambani amachathi bothi ngochacha.
Charlie, I'm sorry, I thought that this isn't love. If this isn't love. If this isn't love. If it's for this.
Asambeni guys.
Oh, no, super different.
Yes.
All of this. Oh, die lipgloss. Ieder zusammen sehr. Ja.
Somebody new. Somebody nice. Guys, we had so much fun, I'm not gonna lie. It was so fun.
It was too good.
Too good.
Too good.
Too fucking good.
So good.
And we have our the scenery. What is it called?
Let me see how it looks. Extra.
Guys, wasn't okay?
Okay. Please go lock.
You valid a line?
Femi, go lock the door. Lock the door. Kala. What's your name? Beautiful. Tell me, stop. You are so mean. You are so mean because. Stop.
broke my nail. Oh my god. No, I'm okay. Okay. Bastard, Lala.
It's fine, I think
We're needing color.
I'm so drunk in the end.
It's uncommon. I don't know. I don't think it. I don't. I can't say. Oh, but.
I wanna have sex. I'm like, okay. Not any guy though.
Not anyone though. Hey, Mina. I'm tired. Travis dog. Yes, why? What's going to happen is that who's on getting lights are fixing, and I don't want that. Okay. Very good. Amache, where is she? Show me. Busting it open. I'm a bust it open. Show me, come. Miega, she'll be like, she'll come here if she's okay. I'm so tired. I'm drunk and I want to sleep. Lidera Ingmar. Odira.
Joe is doing that. Come on, let's go. I'm like, come on, let's go. Let's call him one last time. Okay, one last time. Really, what time?
I'm a bust it open. I'm just magic. Nothing. Where's my phone? Sana, I'm only realizing now. That train about I heard my. Yeah, I'm okay. Okay, let me take that home. She's not comfortable. I don't care. Yeah. Do I hurt my nail? Oh my god. Huh? Where's your phone? Oh, with me.
Show me any guy. I can message her about 7 as well.
Even it's sometimes my babes.
Huh?
Well, let me mute the live. How do you mute it?
This guy's fucking around.
Sure, wait. Let me mute.
Guy.
Wait.
Guys, listen to me. As a guy, what do you want to die?
Oh, as a
At
problem.
this time.
What do you want?
What do you fucking want?
Azai.
Azai.
Honestly, what are you doing, Azai?
What are you doing?
Okay. Hi, Opi Ula. Oh, no, You wanna Kanisa? Actually, we won't be able to sleep.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, look. Okay, what? Okay. Like, why are you doing that at this hour? What time is it now?
2, half 3.
Bro.
Half 2.
Like, you're an old fucking man.
Old fucking man.
Old fucking...
What are you doing, Azai? Honestly. You're a double chin. Down.
Can I see?
No, I'm saying they're not double
Oh,
chin.
you. Moses is swam, yeah. Thank you. Yamongela.
I'm saying you.
Open full. What must you open now? What does that mean? This one.
Kanama. I don't know. I hurt my nail.
What happened?
Also, I'm gonna keep it. I might take a look at this.
Oh, God, there wasn't the show, but they're
Yeah.
still cute though.
They look cute. But I think
like-
it's because a rubber base.
Oh, yeah.
A rubber base always looks good, even if it's old.
Always. That's why I love it.
Yeah.
Like, over acrylic.
Acrylic. By now they'll
Yeah.
Bro.
Abafana basifuna imfethu. Because why are we here?
Why are we even here?
Yes.
No,
Because umuntu ngabe ungilandile. Yaba ngoba umuntu no.
They don't read us.
Bro. The fuck?
But like, tell me why. Hello? He isn't replying to my text.
No, I think like he's mad at something.
But like, usually
Something that was said by...
Usually when he's mad, he always like, I should think, okay, this, that.
Yeah. Okay, I wanna go take some like
And
ice
then
or
Landy.
something. Yeah.
Sisi, indalula. Anna, did you finish the meat?
Me.
I love you.
I'm sending a message for you. Show me. Okay. Show me, I want. Why are you not sleeping well?
When I will taste
Show me. Fula. Eh? Buga. Shishisa. Buga. Fasting. Gizang sha. Kan.
Awukho nje like bethi ucophuma bese ngigqokile.
Show me to you. Where's the tape? Okay, let's put these here. Okay. Wait, they were nice. Yeah, they were. So nice.
Who's the chef?
Who's the chef in bed? Okay.
Wait.
My friend is a chef. Okay. No, it's not Billy, my eh. No, fucking it. Yeah. We're good, good. Yeah. If extra pay. No. I am. Sorry.
I heard my knee. Oh, that's how you've been drinking sausage, right?
Sit your ass down.
Is that what you have?
That's what
Vai fazer lá, né? E pilate lá. Iman guys, izoba le nyama lehleli ngaphandle la. What are you checking out? Sakhano lo. Izoba le nyama lehleli ngaphandle. Check out. Yeah, usually it's like most people book places because like I share my love with the dog. So I was saying
and beautiful.
What's happening?
Ushayeli lapho basakhona yo 136 wonke.
Yeah.
Drunk alone. Oh, Tommy. But this setup looks so nice. I do weird thing like that.
No, I want to do that because
No. Right. I'm tired. Oh, Mara. Go to two people. No one is safe around you. And this is a kind of chapis. No, I can't put it look at me. Chummy.
I'm sorry. Ne? Yinde incane.
Ingane Chummy. Ngathi into yomfana omncane. Into encane ongayizwa mengena phansi. Hello Zamadi.
Hello guys. Hello Zama.
Zomo, Zamadlo. Those men in the background are ready for in. Those men in the background are ready. No chum. But it says doesn't matter.
Those men in the background are
ready for him.
And I'm not telling you that. Somebody tell me.
Also,
Yeah, married.
We are all ready, and then gain lap.
I'm sorry. Chumusa plele lapha.
Very much.
Chumthanda
Ngithanda mina enonile ene engeke me.
okay, so show.
Amade phone.
Nidakela abangani bami ninalithi abafana ba ready.
Those men.
Ba ready. Show. Ba ready kwenzani?
Wena lo amazi. Onayo, wena ayidlento.
Ngifuna. Ba ready kwenzani? Ngazongibhedela la wena. Ready for ini? Uba ba ready ngomba block.
Asimaze shame understand now. We can make fun na yenye.
Ukusho ba ukuthi kusho ba ukuthi banga enjoy weekend yabo.
Yes, and ubolile wena balong. Ubig bani?
Kusho ba ukuthi weekend yakho ma uyispend ekini. Kusho ba ukuthi i-weekend ma uyispend empedeni nakho ungazosibhedela la wena. Aha. Sijwela
masisi. Godoy.
Angasene yo.
Yizo mina ngandaba noma
bakini wena sibona bakini.
Mina ngandaba noma ngang-unfollowisha. It's not like
amasa.
Okay.
Honestly.
It's not like the following.
Not everything is about Amato.
Ngifakela imali and stuff.
Ubakhiyele wena gatsheni.
Ngathi ngiba.
Bazoyibona.
Ungawi.
Ihamba. Utheni sho insamba enga. Cha ukuthi bayajayela. What do you mean muthi ena abafana ba ready?
Kunani if be ready? Kunani? What if song is ready?
Isakaza so isakaza. Lesifuna isakaza so
Oh, Philo. Ubani yena?
Am I ruining my life?
Yeah, not live, but the thing.
Okay,
Kodwa nje kumele awuzi ukubhala lento kwi live yani.
But there's no need for like
Ngizomblock u-Eddie or
there's no need like kubayekela. Umuntu ongana umuntu
Life from secretive, never told anyone.
nothing.
Akadlali unolaka.
Uyajwayela mfethu uyajwayela. Mina I've been
Imali chomi mina njalo. Shaya. No. Hello.
I have this.
laze la right idarking ngaka left. Okay, shabu imuphi. Okay, nangi darking na mandaka.
Siyabonga.
Intombi mnyama.
Sazane asiganiwe njalo. Hayi.
Hayi ifana baya.
Akulutho. Ziyeke ingane zikhethele ziyeke.
Nomile lezo nto ngemuva kwebintu.
Hayi well
Nje bese lezo zinto hayi lokho. Lokho kusemuva. Ngabonga. Ngiyalibonga.
ngibona ngathi iqinile. Ayi ngoba iphok lena sho.
Oh yini?
Ngongena ezulweni moshana.
Happy fun yami. Hayi iyakhala John.
Mina ezulwini mina.
Yabo, why?
Engangifeyisi ngefana we.
Uba lo ilona semfana.
Loya. Loya. Ongqeshile ngakhala nokuyibamba. Engekeni ndakazo la. Buka. Umtshela shaye bitokoli. Umtshela shaye bitokoli. Ay bila ngaphela yo. Uyamtshela. Una-11 uba kunanani.
Oh.
Kayidlala guys. 44. Asho. 44. 41.
Ay.
We can only laugh.
Ay.
But I'm going to try.
Yabo amanzi ayenza ukuthi wehlise igazi. Yezwa?
So right.
Bro. Ngoba yabo the time khona la temperature ngasho ukuthi hey ngiyezwa.
Ngoba adulona man. Naye.
Yabo ngizwe ukuthi I know I'm so drunk. Ngaphuza amanzi kwehla kancane amanzi ayehlisa shame. And I'm going to drink it soon. Wait, wakhuluma amasimo ngiyakublock.
Imfundo yajona ke.
Nembo. Wakhuluma nje amasimo ngiyakublock. Azamnanda ama-wings.
Yawazi. Siyabanda. Nala lethu sana. I'm not sure if it's nice.
Ngathi ipipi eli
Amasoka.
Ngathi oh engenamdla. Hey oh
Amathula.
hey oh
Amathula.
hey oh
But ngakushiya ngalana. Oh yana lo enje. Nobuso bucamile.
Mimbi olive oil shomeni. Mahle no.
Ngathi imbobo besaba enje.
Oh, end nje.
Ngoba it's after 9.
Oh, mfukeni. Oh,
Ngathi after 9.
he looks scared. He looks scared, show me. He looks so gay.
And angeke ngithuke if he is.
Uzomuzwa ke
For
nekhamba
khona
yakhe edakiwe. Shomi
Ngokuthi asinendaba.
mususe amahle kule live. Live live yami shomi.
Uyacabanga? Okay guys, bye. Sisolana.
Sisolala. Okay, no shomi ngilale phela. Hayi shomi hey bese.
Asiphume ngoda.
Kodwa bese ngibana angifuna. Okay shomi ibukani. Indaba ngeke ngifuna kodwa hey. Asixoxe manje isixoxe lothu. Indaba
la.
Nginandaba nabo mina lapha. Indaba ebambile. He?
Indaba ngihambe ifoni. Ngilele phone emali.
Hayi. Ngihlezi ngifona la shomi ngeke bambe phone. Usho ukuthini? Akanandaba yabo.
Sekuthanda abantu abangablock.
Shanje.
Siyabonga Njabula.
Anginaki sho munaka nina.
No, I'm serious.
Why though? Umadlekela. La show me like ngiyabuza. How? Ngiyabuza serious ukuthi why show me. Okay, namade ngisho ekhaya ukuthi njengoncane ukuthi
Exactly sakuthanda.
umuntu uyawublock show. Chaza ukuthi
Also, they can block you like big time.
really
They're confused on it.
amahle. Ena bese akangithandi sho menga kungilokhunji. Ase ubese uqoma manga. Akangithandi bese umuntu engimfonela every day but abambi even with like the messages.
Ngiyaku siyaphela ngizokhohlwa yena.
Ushanje? Okay, sure. In the name of Jesus, uyakuthanda wena amahle inkinga ubusy uzoyibamba ifoni. Wazi wangikhohlisa. If they decide to love you from a distance bazothula nje Nkosi yami. Ngifuna mina angithandele duze. No who is you tonight. Mbambele. Ebole kodwa.
Oh my
Mbambele. Umbambele. Awusho ngeke. Ngisabathanda abantu bami.
Okay, so
Ngifuna bangijaje ukuthi ngithanda mfana mangithanda. It's fine. Iyenzeka yonke impilo, it's part of life. It's part of life. Ukuthi uthanda umuntu ongayithandi ne?
Yes.
Yeah.
If they decide to love you from a distance, bazothula nje Nkosi yami. Ngiyakuthandana amahle inkinga ubusy bamba ifoni. Yeah, but yes, ubusy umuntu obusy lowa. Umuntu obusy chom, umuntu obusy unamabhizinisi
Ade sempedeni selele. Usa driver. Yo,
Ngangiyele
guys.
nje
Ngoba ngimtekile.
Dlula kuleso kuyenzeka shomo ukuthi umuntu akuthande from distance. Kuyenzeka shomo.
ngiyazi khona nawe ifonini.
Engiyamhleya yela. Engithekele ekhaya phone.
One time u-Standard Bank wami lo.
Standard Bank. Yakuthi ngiqedile la.
U-Standard Bank.
Wenzakazi shomo
Sakhana.
akwenzeki
Sakha. Sifake thina le nyama lena manje uzoyifaka nina shosho.
akwenzeki ngibona ngathi
Nizoyifaka
umhlaba
Because
ungijikele
nizokhohlwa ne?
ngibona ngathi umhlaba ungijikele engathi nje akwenzeki lutho ngaphandle kwakhe akwenzeki Nkosi yami akwenzeki yo
Guys, yini kanti nina niyenzani manje anilele? Yeka loyo mfana iza ngabo. Unjani?
yeah ngisho ukuthi akwenzeki guys yini.
Ngokufana. Hayi akangeke umyeke ngesana.
Angeke mfethu.
Ngisho umyeka cha.
Ngisho kuthiwa ngiyazama ma akwenzeki.
That's one thing about inhliziyo. It has no boundaries.
Bro.
Love is blind and it has no shame.
2 months wonke but he didn't block. Same thing bro. Akazangiblock. When I call him iyangena. When I text him it goes through. But I don't know. Like mengimtexta and call him akayibambi phone.
That's how
I was also in the same situation 2 months ago. 2 months ago, but it didn't block me.
they don't block. They don't
Same.
Inkinga guys we don't have men
unless
anymore. We have
to the core.
Really?
Unless
He was just mazing me. He didn't even blue tick me. Bro, same thing. And post on his status. Mina show me angimboni on his status.
Should to hide it from his
Yeah, I think so. What I was yeah, Mina, I don't see his status. I don't know what's going on in Chile. I don't know. Maybe he blocked me. And I was born as yabo?
should.
Yeah, should was born as Yo, I love that guy. Yo,
Slim.
yo, Sana. Show me, I'm going to do the same thing. I hate it so much. I hate it. There's even if I call him, yeah, with
What if he's friends with this or something?
fuck, I don't care.
Fuck that.
No man that loves you could go for that long without talking to young bit. Yo, it's so hard. It's so hard.
Like, I feel like
And it's not easy, bro.
It's not easy. Like it's not. Yeah, but whenever like ngiphuza ukuthi okay, ngisayibona. Realization yokuthi like he doesn't want me, he doesn't want to speak to me and stuff like that. Ngisho ukuthi no man, akangithandi lo muntu. Kube kufika lento yokuthi ngiyamthanda mfethu, I could do like literally anything.
yeah, but what's wrong about him? He's not giving you a chance to go back until you're okay.
Until I'm okay,
He's not. I don't entertain it at all. I can't entertain it at all.
I still have the birthday gifts for July, his birthday, but look at me. Cabanga mfethu, mfethu wena me and you same situation.
So you bought the present way before his birthday. Oh, I'll die. I mean, she said, "Oh, you missed the story."
Abafana basile. The fuck?
No, uthando alusana.
The fuck?
Love has no boundaries.
Do you think like this guy does not care?
Wait,
like
did you buy the gift? But like you are no longer together, or what's the situation? Because if I'm today, sis got Julie birthday is on the 4th of July.
Yeah. Bro.
Damn. I'm about to die. Hey, I would never buy a gift for a man. I'm sorry, but like. Hey,
but show me if you love. If you do. Yeah. I mean, I would if I do love that guy. Show me. And if he shows me with your anxiety. Yes,
I started
Do you know her?
Do you know her? My babe since Jan. We had a whole getaway and he ghosted me on 6th June. Shit. But what is Ahlukana?
Imagine ghosting Unzwakazi. See, you know, see show.
Yo, Brian.
I wanna, if anything, Ghoster hurts more than anything.
He ghosted me from the, I don't know, but towards the end of March, he ghosted me.
What? At least yours is recent. March.
But towards the end of March.
Go ahead. But like, bro, like, yo, it's just another day. I'm not saying
March, I say March. And then on the, like, July, Ngambona, and he said he's gonna text me on WhatsApp. He didn't text me, and yeah, that was it. And then recently, he sent me a Sawubona text.
He was just fucking with you.
A Sawubona text.
He was just fucking with her, honestly.
And then mais making.
Yeah.
Hayi ngimiyekile uzozama ukumiyeka mfethu wena olwazi. Ngizozama ukumiyeka.
Uzozama. Ungakuzama si. Excuse me.
Ngizozama. It's not easy though.
I know.
Bruh, uyaphela unyaka manje. Uyaphela unyaka and I've been going on. With this.
I don't know.
I
see his brother. But accept him. Do you like talk to the brother? Oh. Knowing myself,
yeah,
I would like try to convince him to convince him.
Yes.
Like I'd ask him to convince him. Could he like? Can he at least? Like pay me for the last time? What if I? Just for closure. I had a similar situation like this. I sent a gift away even after a meeting.
It's just like no guys, and I sent a gift even after. Ha! Show me a gift. This is another guys.
Hey, but go through, but like, guys, please heal.
It's okay. It's not hard to move. Okay, it's hard to move on, but it's I don't know. When his brother doesn't talk to me, yeah, guys, he just looks at me. I said,
I'm dying.
His brother doesn't talk to me, yeah, guys. He just
even worse. I mean, I overthink. One thing about me, I overthink. Okay, what? What's funny?
When I went on, the guy just ghosted you.
No, men will ghost you just for vibes. I must say right now it was a ghost.
Really?
Yeah.
So guys, he knows something. Yeah, but anything you show what's Nami.
Shoot about Kulum about Slim. Oh, I'm not angry like
Hi, boo. Yeah, I can't give it this away.
Because I have these and it doesn't feel like right giving out.
Yeah,
just
don't give
take them back to the
just take
shop
them back
or whatever.
To the shop or whatever. Yeah.
Like, okay, you take something else. Take them back. Take something else.
Yeah,
it's
for yourself.
Yeah. Or rather, for your brother or
whatever. Yeah, yes.
Your dad or whatever. You change them back.
Yeah.
No, it's fine. So that like pain,
no, honestly, I saw them to think him like just give it to your brother. Okay,
yes,
you still have hope.
He might not.
He might not.
But
like,
why
am
I for real, guys?
No, like you have to be realistic. You have to be realistic with yourself.
Why if I call him, the calls go through?
Show me. Don't be delusional. Don't be being delusional. Don't be delusional. Why is he waiting all of the time?
Like, okay, shop now.
Men move on. If there's one thing about men, they will move on. And that's what cringe.
And the
Sana.
Okay, Shab, I should just move on. Oh, Delulu is really
Delulu is the solution. It's not my love. It's really not. Why Shella, that's the thing. And he didn't know I was dating his brother. No. Nah, babe. He knows.
No. He knows something. That's why he knows something.
He knows.
Something was up with both of them.
There's just something off about them.
Yeah, something was off. That's why they used to like me. Something was off, Shem. Bye-bye, Shem. Umuntu omazi to go months without talking to you. You think it's about...
City.
I don't understand.
Umuntu omazi okwazi to go months without talking to you, think about it, girl. Yeah, for real.
What does it mean, Chobi?
No, like, if someone can go months without talking to you, that means
okay,
he doesn't give a shit. Sorry. His brother used to like me. My babes.
Is second option.
Yeah.
Imagine being a second option.
Because I'm known and he isn't. He said he doesn't like that I'm known like that.
Bro, what are you known
He
of?
knew you known, and then why would he go after you?
Yes, to the point where people are talking about me on blogs. Talking about you, about what? About what though?
Nah.
It's not like was young baby or something. Maybe a pretty girl that has money that, you know,
He needs
things like that.
Nah, he can't like keep on making excuses like that though.
Well, with Sandra, I don't know. That's where the breakup came about. Where?
No, he knew Yaziwa before that.
Before approaching you.
Really not. Plus, men love abantu abaziwayo.
Really?
They love that. They love the idea of having that girl eyaziwayo. It's just the idea. It's the idea. I don't think it's a thing of, yeah, I would want to. I don't know. Maybe. Oh shit! It was a restrict her. It's a thing of I can't be with someone who's out there.
That's not what I want from a woman.
He knew from the get-go.
That's the pickup line, show me. That's the pickup line, Jay.
They love me. They love that gameplay. Like, yes, they love the idea of having a girl that's known. It's not even a thing of that. Hence, they say. Remember, said when you guys are fighting, was he? You are known. It's like he didn't want to build. He just loves the idea of
not something serious.
Yeah, he didn't want to build. If you notice, these men, they don't date people
who are low key.
But no, like low key, but like they always after people who not.
Oh yeah. Yeah, they just want to have fun with people.
They just have they love the idea of having to on and all of that.
Oh, because most of the girls that are known, they are on. Yeah.
They love the idea.
I cheated after we played
our anniversary from Jan. Ngamba Marin, we were refused. He's You've been saying Papa He's low key. How low key is he?
Ooh, abafana. Ooh, love.
Kuza sister Colento. Stop showing the bottle. Stop showing the bottle. Show me. I told you it was about restricted. Salute Belle Ndoni. Betuna.
Honestly, all of them. yabo uma uthola right guys uzokwenza iqiniso futhi uzokwenza iqiniso for a time being and then he'll just act up. Our anniversary was in November. We cancelled. I went ahead to plan his. I've never done something for a guy on his birthday. Because like I just feel like no,
Plan something for them.
like plan something. No matter I want to. No matter I want to.
I will never, unless we are married. Yeah, I won't do anything for you.
Show me, you are me, exactly
I'm sorry,
me.
unless we are married.
I should do it, but it's not like
It's not even a thing of. It's not even a thing of or whatever. I won't do it unless we are married.
True.
What's the point? What if it's a new girlfriend?
Yes. So when
It's okay if we're married. Even not that I'm a fan of a child together. But it's like, okay, that's my husband or whatever.
yeah.
Like what? I don't care.
Never forgive cheating, guys. Never.
I'm still contemplating on cancelling.
Cancel it, bro. Cancel.
Wait, he cheated.
Yes. Cancel. Yeah.
Yes, I'm gonna drop her last minute time and not get like I cheated now. Cancel that fucking.
Cancel, bro.
What? No, I won't drop her. I don't know what. I can't like. I can't
Yes.
use excuses about
And
I'm a
excuse-
cheater.
lame excuse.
I'm a cheater.
Lame
And I'm a new girlfriend. Yeah. Sorry. And I'm a new girlfriend. Yeah. So fuck that.
I
always tell girls, but when I got in Yashana, get single.
but kukhona abanye like YouTube but cancel usuyaphela usuyaphela unyaka mfethu
It's a book. Actually, take that book. Take that bookie for your like December. Don't like
for your girls. Girls trip
go
or
out
something.
with a girl. You like make plans for December rather.
Hey, when I say we are joining Namanga, there's this recent dump that you posted on TikTok. Child, stop lying.
Single local always. What does that mean?
If you know that, like, what you put up.
Lutho-ke uyanokuthandayo mina ngivula.
Yabona ke akuhlale kunjalo.
Yeah, akuhlale kunjalo honestly. Right futhi mekunjalo cause
amadoda yazi I feel like at some point I just figure my mind my mind and my heart like fuck this like okay like
it's 26 inches, yeah.
like you program like you will get disappointed, like you get hurt
Eventually.
so like
Eventually you will get hurt. Abafana eventually, guys. Excuse me,
is it from Tao Bata? Is her quality good?
Yeah, very good.
Understand. My mind and heart, yeah, my mind and heart and the program about anything. Which it's possible or he's mad. So I'm like I'm prepared for either of them. I'm just prepared for all of that.
No, he's just acting up.
Thing is, uzobona ukuthi there's something I'm guilty of which there's nothing I did.
Yes.
So there's no point in because I'm not guilty of anything. I didn't do anything.
Yes. Okay. Mina, I think you wanna. It's because the interior guy told him that he saw you there.
Thing is, I didn't do anything. Also, I told him because I'm going out.
Yes. The problem with him is just that he was told that you were there.
Same thing he told me he's avoiding. I should tell him. I don't think he is mad. I don't know. I'll see tomorrow, like today. When I text him. Exactly. Yeah. I always program my heart and my mind.
One thing about men, they will. Exactly. I'm going through that. Do that, show me.
That's why show me villain duty. You know what, girl?
Yeah, that's why you always say like it's okay.
Yeah. It's a thing of if he wants to come back, he will. But it's okay. That's what I always tell myself. You know what? I'll be okay. It's fine.
Yeah, guys. Either way, if he comes back, he doesn't. If he doesn't, but we have to live. If it doesn't, it's life, man. We have to move on. If we give up, oh, give up. Give me tips I can do. Come on,
Chomi,
what's he?
Sweetie. Oswald, please, I'm not.
No, Loki, guys.
Loki, guys. I love Loki, guys.
I love Loki.
I don't even like him post that.
Yes, you have to.
Don't even post yourself.
Loki, guys.
Why do you wanna be known? Like, I love Loki.
Loki, guys, to the T.
Like, I
love Loki, guys. TikTok as a guy. Why do you have Instagram?
My man has TikTok, but like,
but it doesn't. But it no show me. He doesn't have like a proper account.
Yeah, he doesn't post anything. I think plus I feel like the page like I could very.
I think he does have like accounts.
The same
friend
group.
Yes. Go Instagram, so you tell forget about it, Shem. I course on my on social media. Trust me.
Instagram.
No. There's no soulmate on social media. No, any Kalela and we had a show.
Oh my
There's no way.
I'll never ever tell him.
Yes.
No, it's like how many of us are you DMing?
How many of us are you DMing? Yes.
Mani namuntu was on Instagram.
Who am I? Yes. But this one, you are. But on the social media, you're always, even the one who posts on social media, or post style, his cars, his clothing, his wardrobe. Yeah. Why you excited week? You should. Why?
I love the fact that I've never seen my man posting on
Bro, I've never dated someone or posted.
My man never ever
posted transformation. Because
you know what I love about my man, Tony?
Yeah.
Like eat designers as some exciting. I'm like, that's growth for me. Like,
Yeah, that's
thank God
growth.
I met you.
We can't be both like content creators. I can't be shooting vibes now, so shooting
I
vibes.
saw it.
Show me.
My man can afford all of those things, but like you,
Anything you
he
show.
doesn't even.
If anything you show me. If you can afford as a man, as a guy, I am to post it. It's not for like.
Show me what's crazy.
Hi.
No, Sham, I love my man. I'm a year minute loan.
That's about too sure.
We can't be content creators, honestly.
We can't be.
Imagine.
Man, they just like they bore me to the core. Like, why you posting what you just bought a car? Why you posting Mali? Ha! That annoys me. It annoys me, bro.
Like why?
Posting like a stack of money. Yeah,
That's how they lure girls now.
yes. You have stack.
And the 40 stack. If you want to but like I feel like as girls we're different. It's
Yeah, as if
that's fine.
As a fan. Because there are girls also cousin finance or post the things that we're mentioning now. Yeah, well. Hey guys, minangeke angibonish. Hi.
Ofona ngehenes. Everything's on a shop you go to when we are posting.
Why?
Postelani.
My ex bought a new and heartbeat dropped. I miss that man.
She's so clean.
Show me. Apile, what are you saying? Oh. Hi. Thank you for the what's. Oh, a car.
Oh, car.
What's her name?
And we tell ungekho naye sweet.
Bro. Ungekho naye.
He left for my man wanted to buy a new car.
Uh-huh.
And I'm like, you said you don't even like cars like that. But like, I feel like he's tired of this car and all of that. I'm like, okay.
Which car is he driving now?
I don't wanna.
Oh, I'm just gonna. Okay.
I think it's.
Ngakho ukuthanda i-content ukuthi we show me share lapho umfana uthanda i-content uphilela amantombazane ibooked emhlanga and posted and then ngeke ahambe. Why?
Ngeke post in fact I feel like okay, like I feel like ngizothini mina ngathi abakwazi nokulala kodwa but I'm always overthinking ukuthi since I'm not next to you, because I know you guys can't do it. Like, it's like not without a girl next to you.
Akashiye lo muntu mfethu. Guys, mfethu ngeke.
Guys, I'll
go now. Oh, okay, I'm the only one that's going.
And go.
Finding out because of his tattoo abafana. Imenoko hayibo ever since March guys I've been okay.
Girls are spiteful. Yeah.
Yes.
Girls are so spiteful.
Yes.
Also financially men are staying out. So you will know, your men you will know. Like he's a man you will know. But later too.
I know.
I know this.
Girls are
so spiteful.
Same
yes, what I don't understand about girls. You came to my man's place. You are blood.
Okay.
Why
are you doing that?
Why?
You
know figure now. Okay. Like do your shit. God knows like like you don't have to prove anything.
Kuzokwenzekani ukushiyinwe
now
kuzokwenzekani ukushiyinkophela zakho
kuzokwenzekani ukushiyirutch
hayibo
ebhalithe ongafica iruji or ephephuli mengiyifica phezu kweshidi or ngayifica yabo unomshini okwasha izitsha yezo uyazi umshini yami uyarobha izitsha mengithi ngiphi inkomishi ngifuna uzibeka nayo inkomishi chomi ineruji ephephuli chomi uba umuntu osagcoba iruji chomi manje why ungagcoba lip therapy wangagcoba lip gloss
Amahlakalaleli guys.
Lemo, are you ever seen to leave a dating scene when that put Umuti on me?
no
Why would he put Umuti?
Why?
To extend
Okay. Purple is
Isigogwane lesi.
Let's go, bro. Like, Umuti.
Catching you with
Yeah. Yes.
That's always my argument.
Yeah.
Calling XM, I was like, it can't always be the same girl.
Kusho ukuthi uyamthanda,
Because there's something really happening here. There's something serious here.
Yes. Be safe. A lot of diseases out there. Yeah. And I just recently watched.
It's not even a thing of what like many girls, multiple girls. It's like, why this one?
Yes.
Why Lorna? Like, why is it always the same girl?
Boys will never. You can't tell.
Tell me.
Yeah, very they don't. Bafuna into ngaphambili, and when they're satisfied, they go to another one. Abaneliseki.
Toenails was up.
Mahle ne?
oh thank you chomi
Abaneliseki. Boys don't love us, okay? I'm not, babe.
I'm not. I don't care honestly. I thought I care.
You care, Shomi, bro.
Oh, God.
And I'm also don't snow, yo.
umtshelane ngubani
Hey, Shomi.
chomi uyazi into ehonqayo
Yeah, and Shomi, no, sis.
mina ngikwazi ukulanda into ehonqayo
Papa yini guys thina sesiyolala manje amahleni ngizokushaya siza ibhodlela emnandi live nasi lesiphongo sase-restaurant isiphongo kuyiphi restaurant I miss him so much. I don't want to text him on the day he bought a on that day he bought a new car.
I mean, the best of our worst is that he has a new car and other girls
Yes. Oh
I
yeah,
was
what
like,
color
yeah.
give it?
Thinking more than my message again now. Hi, Bo. Hey. I am a daughter. I miss him so much. I don't want to text him. Don't text him. Don't. It's not worth it. It's really not. And also Gomaiza. And you'll feel like, why did I even text him?
Yo.
Don't text him. Uzokumaiza uzokumaiza one thing. Okanye akulide show on and then he leaves you on red.
I can't get it's the end of the journey now. It's the end of the road.
You crash out session iphelile guys.
So nice guys. See her taking.
mina shame abafana bangifuni ke
Do something.
angifuni ukuzenza ngcono
Go to a restaurant. Try new activities, something.
Yeah, try new activities. Don't go to new restaurants because
New
restaurants like it's a win.
Oh, when I'm not showing you what that sells me. Trying to make myself feel better. And then I have to go spend my money.
Wait,
it doesn't even help me. Like, it doesn't.
Like the way you talk about man. When I say, okay. When I ask people, just go like try new activities and stuff. Because when you go to new restaurants in Sopelu, I know most probably you're a student.
And it's
Try something new.
and ubungafilishanga better.
Yes, try something new. We are a restaurant.
Also, going to a restaurant won't make you feel bad.
Ethu sisi ilokugila ezayi ngilongiqalazela bobuda bahamba nawo uthi
Ngiyaphila njani?
uMoses papa Musegol kusakhona leyo trend le ethu sisilokhu ngiqalaza kuthiwa ayi nawe ngathi sisiqalaza kakhulu ngathi uqalaza
Qalaza nina vele. Yena iqalaza ezayi shom.
ezayi nje ezayi cha fuck zayi
Ungcono umuphila nawe.
fuck zayi
December manje ku late kakhulu.
boys kokhe debe
He said it's my fault because I said why did you access with
Aibo.
show me? But okay, mina ngikhuluma nje ngami. Yabo, I don't act as a detective, Shema Fukama man. Like I don't become a yes.
Also, what you don't know won't hurt you.
Yes. When I to be delusional in your own world, mo na umuntu wako ibadilulu o.
Yeah.
Yes, I just mina personally ngibaka njalo. Even though I know ukuthi welo. Uyashitha. Kodwa nami unaso isikhathi sami.
Which at least
Yes,
at least I forgot your
I didn't act like one. He sent the screenshot and he blocked the girl. Kanti,
What girl?
What girl? What happened? Nigepe Deben ha.
Oh boy, you spoke at Debe.
At Debe,
And I
not
said the number.
Kasipo. Potula.
Potula.
Akhuleka nje umsakilibambele ke.
Yeah.
Sengazazi into eziphendulwayo nezingaphendulwa.
Aphuthu. For sure nentombi ke loyo bese ngixibeza ngepipi nje wathi.
Awu
Oh, bese abafana basithandi shem.
We can fuck tonight.
Ngisho manje uphezulu kwayo.
Uba
sisi uthi wongalali.
Mina nje ngizichangele lo nje.
Ngazi
Angisho uzenza ngcono.
Show me why
No, John, no. Yabo mekhuluma njengomuntu ngathi umuntu ongazenza into ezikanje because ungathi ufuna isikhathi sami sethu soyithu. Uyayidryisa kusasa ngizobe ngingasekho lapho mina.
Yeah.
Kodwa it's fine. Asazi sobona.
kusasa kodwa ngoku
Ikusasa namhlanje ngithi. Njalo silala ngakusasa thina.
Indaba nifuna ipipi cha
Hayibo.
uhlangana
Indaba zethu man.
I wanted to find the girl I knew. Guys, yalala manje thina. Cala chicken manje.
Because I'm going to manage. The exam job with pharmacist ngimfanele.
guys wafanda njani amantombazane
Which one, Chum?
uthi Ilona I wanted to find the girl I knew.
Oh yeah, Kampela nenzenjani?
Nenza njani?
Nenzenjani mina I've never.
I only saw when the girl called him.
Yeah.
FaceTime ngabona ukuthi oh.
Which one? Lesmazi?
Yeah. Ngabona ku FaceTime ngifona. And then when I confronted him, he was like Dim went through like the John phone. Like I'm like, okay, was I supposed to close my eyes? My phone
Hayi. Shuthi yazi abafana ngathi bazalwa mama yedwa hayi ngazo sonke isikhathi ba shift ekuthini blame.
I was like, maybe like
Njalo thina is wrong.
hey, I was like,
Ngqondo yabo.
Bye bye guys, we see you in the morning. Nakhona futhi if kwenze